An engine working on air standard Otto cycle is supplied with air at 0.1 megapascal and 35 degrees Celsius. The compression ratio is 8. The heat supplied is 500 kilojoule per kilogram. Property data for air is specific heat capacity ratio at constant pressure is 1.005 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Specific heat capacity at constant volume is 0.718 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin, and the gas constant is 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. The maximum temperature in Kelvin of the cycle is, so here in this problem we need to find the maximum temperature of the cycle in Kelvin, and that too corrected to 1 decimal place. So as given in the problem, the engine works on air standard Otto cycle. Otto cycle. Let's see the TS diagram of an air standard Otto cycle. In the problem is given that T1 is equal to 35 degrees Celsius or 308 Kelvin, and the pressure P1 in the problem is 0.1 megapascal. So process 1 to 2 is isentropic compression process, in which work is done by the compressor on the cycle. So work is done on the cycle. 2 to 3 is isochoric process. That means the volume remains constant and heat is added in the system or in the cycle, we can say. In process 3 to 4, it is also isentropic expansion process, in which work is done by the cycle. Therefore W engine, let's write WE for that. And 4 to 1 is again isochoric process, in which heat is getting out of the system. Now in the problem it is also given Q in is equal to 500 kilojoule per kilogram, and specific heat capacity at constant pressure is 1.005 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Specific heat capacity at constant volume is 0.718 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin, and the gas constant R is 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So from here we can find heat capacity ratio, that is gamma, which is given by Cp by Cv. This will be equal to 1.4. Now for compression cycle, that is from process 1 to 2, we can write the relation of temperature and volume. We can write T2 by T1 should be equal to V1 by V2 to the power of gamma minus 1. Now V1 by V2 is compression ratio, which is 8 to the power of gamma minus 1. Gamma is 1.4 minus 1 is 0.4. And T1 is also given in the problem. So from here we can find the value of T2, that will be T1 multiplied by, so T1 is 308 Kelvin multiplied by 8 to the power of 0.4, which will be equal to 707.6 Kelvin. Now the main aim of this problem is to find this T3. So we need to find T3, which is the maximum temperature of the cycle, and we know heat is added in the process 2 to 3. So let's write heat added in the system. Q in will be equal to, since 2 to 3 is a isochoric process, so we write Cv into T3 minus T2, okay, for isochoric process. Isochoric process. So from here we can find the value of T3. So T3 can be written as Q in by Cv plus T2, okay. So let's calculate the value here. Q in is 500 kilojoule per kilogram divided by Cv in the problem is 0.718 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So this unit will become Kelvin, plus T2 707.6 Kelvin. Therefore from here we get the value of T3, that is the maximum temperature of the cycle, is 1403.8 2.978 Kelvin. Now let's go back to the problem. So the maximum temperature of the cycle is 1403.97 Kelvin, or we can write this as 1404 Kelvin. To get more details on AS Standard Otto Cycle, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 59, Otto Cycle, on Concepts of Thermodynamics by Professor S. Chakraborty of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur.